Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the easiest messy bun hairstyle for medium length hair. To start, I'm going to split the hair straight across from about the end of eyebrow height, and we're just going to pop this into a ponytail at the back of the head. Next, I'm going to add some spray wax all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then, using your fingers, just start pinching and pulling at the hair for more volume and texture. You can make this as neat or as messy as you like. Then we're just going to clip that ponytail out of the way for later. Divide the remaining hair in half, and we're going to secure each half into another ponytail around about the top of the ear height. Release that top ponytail down. And we're going to divide this in half, and then I'm going to divide the ponytail on the bottom right hand side in half as well. Now we're simply going to tie these two halves together in a knot as if you were tying your shoelace. Pull it tight to the head, so one end is facing up and one end is facing down, and then just secure through the middle of the knot with as many bobby pins as needed. Then we're going to repeat it on the left hand side, so take that ponytail at the bottom and split it in half, then tie it in a knot with the rest of the ponytail from the top. Make sure you pull it nice and tight to the head and secure with a few bobby pins through the centre of that knot. Now you should have a couple of tail ends sticking out at the top. And again, we're just going to create one more simple knot up here. So grab them, tie them together and pull them tight. Then secure it to the head using a few bobby pins. Now we've got two halves of the ponytail left at the bottom, and we're just going to create another knot using the same technique as before. So pull it tight so it sits at the bottom of the bun and secure with pins. And then for any tail ends we've got left over, I'm just going to slip a bobby pin right at the end of the hair. So slide it down and then just start rolling it up towards the bun and slide it in wherever it looks nice. Do this with all of your tail ends that are still sticking out. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.